Here's how you can go ahead and log into your Character.AI account in 2025. First, you need to go ahead and search for Character.AI, or you can directly type in Character.AI in the search bar. You'll be taken to the official website of Character.AI, and here you need to go ahead and log into your account. If you do not have an account yet, you need to at least sign up to chat with Character.AI. You can either use your Google account, your Apple ID, or you can continue with your email as well. And remember that Discord, Facebook, and direct email passwords logins are no longer supported. Then you need to enter your birthday, and you'll be logged into your Character.AI account. And now you can start using Character.AI. After logging in, you can chat with characters or create your own. If you're doing it in your mobile app, you can get the Character.AI app from the App Store, which is iOS, or Google Play Store for Android, and you can use the same steps as the website to log in. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.